Want to know how to use AI videos background on Messenger? You would want to use AI videos background on Messenger to hide your actual background, keeping your surrounding private during calls. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to use AI video background on Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your screen. Then open any chat you wish to call. Now tap on the video icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the smiley face icon. Here you can see the background option. Tap on it. Finally, there are multiple AI's videos background. Now select according to your preference. So this is how to use AI video background on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.